Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this welding demonstration. Today we'll show the welding process of a conical tank workpiece. Made of high-quality carbon steel ordered by our customer. We've chosen the P+T welding process. P is plasma welding, and T is tungsten inert gas TIG welding. Plasma welding is used for the root pass, and TIG welding for the cap pass. This combination has many advantages. Plasma welding can penetrate deeply for a strong root weld, while TIG welding creates a smooth surface. It reduces defects and meets non-destructive testing requirements. Now let's start. The machine powers on and operators set the parameters. First, for the root pass, the plasma arc is ignited, melting the base metal. After the root pass, we use TIG welding for the cap pass. The TIG torch is guided along the seam. Inert gas protects the molten metal, and filler metal is added to create a uniform and strong final weld. Here is the completed weld seam. It is smooth, uniform, and defect-free. Showing the effectiveness of the P+T process and our operator skills. In conclusion, the P+T welding process is a reliable, efficient solution for carbon steel workpieces. when high-quality welds are needed. Thank you for watching.